Hi there, it's George here, and today is a special video on my Monstera that it was grow a very big leaf, and it is a record, and the sales video special behind me it is, as you can see. And yeah, it was gifted to me by a friend in my city 2 years ago, and it was grown in a small pot. Then in this summer, which was, I just bring the plant outside, repot, and I let it outside in the sunny. Then after 2-3 months it was grow this leaf. As you can see, it's huge and really beautiful, and I think it likes to grow outside. It was very hot this summer, so just look at it. Now I moved it inside already, and we'll see how it grow indoor, autumn, winter time, and even in spring. Well, the plant looking lush, as you can see, such big leaf. Didn't expect it. I repotted in such pot, quite big, and for this pot, as you can see, leaf is big and beautiful, lush looking now because it's fresh, as you can see. But did you remember when I did show you some plants update, and this plant I did show you too. It was small in a small pot and didn't grow like large leaves and stuff like that, and it was leaves like this one, and then after I repotted it was grow this leaf. It's quite big too. After that, this one, and really nice. After I repotted, I let the plant outside in direct sunlight, and I was very worried about the sun will not burn my plant, or kind of, and it means this plant loves sunny, direct sunny. That's beautiful, as you can see in the sunny how it was grow such large leaf. But yeah, we'll see next leaves how they will be here indoor. Yeah, and I used soil when I repotted, compost mixed with soil from the garden, soil from like dried plants. Here still waiting for germination, but and in that soil I added sand and a little bit of perlite, and yeah, it's kinda good soil and rich in humus and nutrients. And I noticed that this plant likes that soil which I make, and I planted another plant in such soil like my coffee tree, and it looking healthy, as you can see. Look at the soil, how it looks. And today I repotted papaya in such kind of soil. We'll see how it will grow. And but in this video is a video special on the Monstera. This is Monstera Deliciosa, and it's like delicious leaf, as you can see, like this hole. Yeah, very beautiful, and if will grow, I will keep it in this pot long time, because I do not have space in winter time to grow, because I have a lot of plants, that's it, and I have to put them together a lot full. In winter time my room is full with plants, but now not so many because it's still warm outside. That's it, but I will have to show you update on the plants outside, that they are here, they are everywhere outside in my yard. That's it. And it will be very beautiful when I will bring those plants, and here in my room will be like a jungle. That's it. That was a special video on the Monstera that was grow a quite big leaf, as you can see, Thanks so much for watching to the end. George was here. I'll catch you next time, and have a good autumn day. That's it. Bye bye.